back to my channel. As you see by the title below, I am doing my fall haul for this fall. The pieces that I got is all from Fashion Nova. So if you are new here, my name is Key. I do videos on beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. So if this is something that you want to continue or interested in, just keep watching. All right, y'all. So we're gonna hop right into this video. All right, so the first piece I have is this brown piece set. This two-piece set from Fashion Nova. All the sizes that I have, I order everything in a extra small. So the shirt fits me really good. It's pretty stretchy, so you know, and it fits me like tight. It don't fit me like super tight, so that's something I definitely loved about that. Then I have these pants. These pants that come with the set, and up here it kind of looks like business slacks in a way. So the only thing I have about these is that I'm probably gonna have to get them like tapered in because the legs are like super long, and I'm like 5'4", so I'm a little bit short. But these fit me long in the leg area, but the waist area is pretty stretchy, but it fits me pretty good. They're kind of baggy at the top a little bit, but I mean, it's not like a big deal. Like I said, I probably have to just get them taped in, taken in or whatever. But other than that, like, I honestly love this set. Something that you can just like lounge around in this fall. You know, everything's getting cold and stuff. You can wear it in your house or whatever. So I definitely do like that set. You know, I'll probably most likely wear it around. But if you know, you can put a pair of heels on, and it can, in a jacket, and it can be something real cute that you can wear out to dinner or whatever. So I give that probably like a good 8 out of 10. So this next set I have is this two-piece set, and it's a jumpsuit. Now, don't get me wrong, like I'm not like a big fan of jumpsuits, but I will say like this is very comfortable. Like, it's very stretchy and stuff like that. The only thing that I didn't like was that it's kind of see-through. Like the material's a little thin, so you can kind of see through it a little bit. So just be on the lookout, like, you know, don't wear your granny panties with it or whatever. So but this was like really cute, like I said. Then it came with like this little long cardigan, and like I said, I'm like 5'4", so this fit me like super long. Like, it goes well past my feet. So, but I kind of like that a little bit. But the cardigan is like definitely really long, but the material is good. It's thin, but then it's kind of like it's thick material. So I think like you can still like feel warm in it. You know what I mean? So I definitely like this set. You know, and it's a really pretty like orangey tanny color, so definitely fall colors. Another like something you can wear around the house or something like that, or you can just put you on, you know, some nice thigh-high boots and just keep it pushing. You feel me? Like, you know, just wear it out to dinner or wear it out to a girl's night out or whatever. But that's a good set as well. So the next set I have is this brown piece set. And it comes with these kind of like Dickie-like material pants. And my favorite part of these is like this like flap here. Like, it kind of looks like, you know, like a little fanny pack or whatever, but it's actually attached to the pants, which I really love. And then also I like how the zipper is in the back, which it doesn't take away from like the actual front side of the pants, which I really do appreciate them for doing that, because I feel like if the zipper was in the front, it just kind of would take away from the style of like the whole outfit. So I really like how the zipper is definitely in the back. They are stretchy, so you know, if you do get like, so these are like I said, extra small, so I still got like a little room even with the extra small, but it doesn't fit me like too loose or too tight, so I do like that. The pants are long enough, so they're not like super long at the legs like the other piece that I showed earlier. So I really do like these pants. And then it comes with this kind of like jacket, like crop top jacket, and I really do like this. Like, the way it fits me, it being an extra small, like it still kind of fit me a little big. So even if you like somebody who just likes their clothes like super tight, I recommend you get an extra small then, because like even with me, it kind of looks a little bulky a little bit at the top, but like I can like put my hands up and it kind of brings out the crop, but it fits me enough to where like I can choose if I want to make it a crop or it can just be a jacket. So it give or take, it's like it's not bad, it's just the preference of like the way you want it to fit. So I mean, I like it. Like I like his little like kind of military style, like where like I like how this little flap is here or whatever. It's not like a zipper part or anything, but it's like super cute. Like I feel like you can just throw on some heels or even some tennis shoes or whatever, and it would have been like super cute. Like you got your whole fit. So I really do like that's it. All right, so the next thing that I bought from Fashion Nova is this really adorable like burgundy leather jacket. Like y'all, I've been wanting a leather jacket for like the longest. I had a leather jacket like a couple years ago, and then I think I left it at work or something and I lost it, and I never got that leather jacket back. It was like one of my favorite leather jackets, but I feel like this is super cute. I had put this with like a black bodysuit, and that it was just like super cute. Like I love how the jeans like fit and everything like that, which I did buy jeans, the jeans that you currently see in the screenshot. I did buy these jeans and I feel like it fits so well, especially with like my thigh-high boots. Like it just gives me like that fall vibe, like she's just on her way. Like that just, I just love this jacket. Like I feel like I'm gonna wear this jacket a whole lot. But here's a jacket, you know, leather. Has like, it's warm on the inside, so it has that little like I don't know the material, but it has this part in the inside, so you know it's not like leather on the inside and on the outside, so you just get all like squishy and sweaty real quickly. So I like that about the jacket, but it's like super warm even though it's like small and short. And then I like how it has this like little belt like thing, so like kind of like a biker jacket. Like it's really cute to me. Like I really like, this is like one of my favorite like items that I bought from Fashion Nova. Like I've really been wanting a leather jacket, and it's burgundy and it's just so cute and it just stands out. Like y'all, I am so excited to like take pictures in it. It's like I really am. But there is that. All right, so my little like, I had got like a lot of like t-shirts too that I picked up because I like to be comfortable a lot. So I'm like not really dressy, and then plus like I work, so some things are just gonna make me like uncomfortable to wear at work all day. So I did buy like a lot of graphic t-shirts. So one that I have on, I have this t-shirt on right now. It's it says the hustle is real, which I feel like fits me perfectly because the hustle for me is real. But also I bought like a couple black bodysuit shirts, which like I showed earlier with the leather jacket. I had put this on, and I never wear bodysuits before, so a lot of people been like saying that they wear like bodysuits, and I'm just like I don't know, I just felt like it would just be uncomfortable. But when I tried it on, I really did like it. Like it wasn't uncomfortable like in the crotch area or anything like that. Like it fits me perfectly. And I got this in an extra small, so I'm glad of that. I'm glad it wasn't like too tight to where it's like I can't breathe. But it was super duper cute when I put it with my jeans and my leather jacket. So like y'all, I'm very excited for that fit. But I got that. I have another long sleeve bodysuit shirt, and then I got this graphic t-shirt that says don't disturb my vibe, which I super duper love. Like I'm a big fan of like big t-shirts, but this is an extra small. And one thing about their like graphic shirts is that they still fit me big. Like I'm still little. Like I don't know, like extra small, I'm thinking like, okay, I can get an extra small. It's still kind of like snug a little bit. Like no, these t-shirts still fit me kind of like big a little bit, and it's super stretchy, but they're super comfy. Like just if you want to just go to a dinner and a movie, throw you on a pair of jeans and some thigh-high boots or some heels or some tennis shoes and just rock with the flow. Like I really like that. But my last but not least that I got from the haul is this sweater, this Lakers sweater from Fashion Nova. Like y'all, I tried this on and I absolutely like love this. I really got this for my boyfriend because he loves the Lakers. So, you know, that's why I got it. But I love the way it fits me. It's like really comfy. Like I love to be comfortable when I'm out. So I love, and it's getting really, really cold. Like I'm anemic, so I get cold super easily, and I love how it fits. Like it fits me really well for an extra small, but a lot of things, like a lot of the shirts that I got in extra small fit me kind of big. So if you're kind of like bigger than me and you like your shirts and stuff to be a little bit tight on you, extra small is the way to go. So all right, y'all, so that's all that I have for my fall haul that I had got from Fashion Nova. All of the pieces will be linked down below in the order that I was showing it in the video. So if you really like this or you like some of the pieces that I presented, there will be a link down below, so you can definitely go get some of those pieces for your fall looks. And just leave a comment down below what was your favorite piece, and I will see you guys in the next video.